not gonna do the glove boxing. It's just me today.
Do you want me to pull the tape off for you so you can open it?
Click that subscribe button and click that like button up below. And make sure to subscribe us channel because we almost have 100 subscribers. And if there are 100 subscribers, oh, say a joke to Daddy.
Ooh, so at 100 subscribers, she's going to tell me a funny joke. All right, Mia.
There's gonna be slime.
There's not going to be slime.
Dr. Beasley slime that is black.
All right. Open it up. What's that? Is that like a wash pad?
Washing it. Washing
Whoa! So you got a cool wash pad, Mia.
it.
Ooh. We got, what else? Let's look. You got a cool wash mitt.
Both of these. Two of these.
Wash mitt. What is it?
No, but
Are you going to read them? Ooh, Shampoo Plus from, we have this company. We don't have that though. Is there anything else in there? Or is that it? We got DIY Detail Rinseless Wash.
we don't have it.
So this is a concentrate. This is going to be like ONR. Do you know ONR?
No.
Optimum No Rinse. Do you know that? You have it in one of your IK sprayers. Here. And then you got some Owner's Pride Ultra Wash, which is a premium car wash soap concentrate. And some Armor Detail Supply Shampoo Plus, which is a high foaming shampoo. So we got different ways to wash your vehicle in this kit with a nice little top. You got your step-by-step guide for the different ways that you can wash. What do you think? You like it? So, which one do you want to try first when we wash your car next time?
This.
You want to use this wash mitt? Here, put it on. See how it fits. You like that one? Yeah, is it soft? So these are made by Auto Fiber. These are real nice. They're real soft. This one's really nice. I like this big sponge. That's really neat. And let's do the smell test.
We tried this one, but it was there.
You don't like that one? Okay. So Mia doesn't like the Armor Detail Supply smell. Let's see the Owner's Pride. Let's smell this one.
Yum.
You like this one? This one does smell really good.
It smells like oranges.
This one does smell really good. And let's smell the DIY Detail Rinseless Wash.
Maybe it's like brown.
Oh, yeah. Go ahead, smell this one. Yeah, this one's not a winner on the smell test. You want to put some smiley faces or sad faces on them? Okay. Now this is Mia's original rating system to determine whether she likes a product or not. And she usually bases it on smell. So she likes the Owner's Pride. It gets a beautiful smiley face. She does not like the DIY Detail smell. That gets a sad face right away. And
Can I smell this?
you want to smell it again? Uh-oh.
But it does smell like fruity.
So what do you think? It's up to you.
Slide.
So Mia changed her mind, and she likes the Armor Detail Supply Shampoo
These
Plus
are
smell.
winners.
These are winners.
These are losers.
She is not a fan. Now, it probably works well, and we
This
will
is a
try it
loser,
out.
Loser.
So, it's a loser to her, and she is not happy with it. All right. So,
Smash.
tell everybody thanks for joining us.
Hulk smash. Hulk smash.
So, everybody, thank you for joining us, and we'll see you later. Bye.